Hey guys, it's Larry, and today we are talking about big changes for the new year. As we are ushering in 2018, I personally am making some really big changes, and the biggest one for us today is what I'm going to be showing you. I am switching to a big happy planner for my journaling. So this is a big change for me. I will still continue to use my classic happy planner for my regular planning, but I bought this several months back. In fact, it's in one of my videos. It's in the Tuesday morning haul video, and I'll put a link up in the right hand corner for you if you want to see this. But I figured January 1 was the day I was going to start using this, and this I'm going to be using for my journal. So I'm going to be incorporating this into my weekly planning, and I wanted to share with you that I'm a little bit scared. I'm a little intimidated. I've not worked with the large happy planners before, the big happy planners. So it's a change in a lot of things. It's a change in the size of the stickers that I typically make, and a little bit of a change in the layout. So it's a little intimidating, and like I said, it's a big change for me to change size format. But that's what we're going to be working on today. I'm going to show you how I'm going to plan for the month of January. And the stickers I will be using are these. I've got a couple of pages. And there is this one. And there is this sheet. And these are all from Pink Pixel Graphics, and I will put a link for her down below. These were all free printables on her website, and I thought these were super cute. I like these little functional tags. Let's see if I can get them to focus. So we've got some paydays, bills, New Year's Day, Snow Day, Martin Luther King Jr. Day, this month, day off. Sorry, these aren't focusing very well. Goals, appointment, vacation, holiday, don't forget, more goals. Wow, that is really poorly focused. I'm so sorry. I can't seem to get it to go. There's another goals and another appointment, and then some really cute little icons. Money bag, suitcase, cake, banner flags, I guess happy mail, savings, little piggy bank, and an alarm clock. There they go. So again, these are from Pink Pixel Graphics, and I just thought they were super adorable. And I'm going to be putting these in for the monthly layout of January 2018. We're going to get started. And you know the drill. We are going to pull up a chair, grab a cocktail, hit subscribe, and ring the bell before we get started, and have some fun planning with me. I'm going to turn on some music, and let's get going. Okay guys, I think that's it. So here is my big change for 2018. Happy New Year's to everybody. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. And if you're interested in getting these stickers for free, please check out the links below. And Happy New Year's to you. I hope you have some big changes in store and some big goals and some big plans. So that's it. Enjoy this holiday season, and I hope that you have a wonderful time. I will talk to you soon. Check in the next Plan With Me video. They're usually posted on Fridays. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Ask any questions or share any tips and tricks in the comments below. And remember, be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. Thanks, guys.